Well, attention! Stand at ease. You must be wondering exactly मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. नमस्कार आप सभी का स्वागत है. Welcome everybody, and you'll get to know in a little while what exactly was I doing with this one. And stay at ease, be relaxed. Thank you so much for joining us on a Saturday for a very special class. I hope all of you are well and connected from the safety and comfort of your homes. मेरा नाम है Sachin Kumbhar, and on behalf of Amazon Prime Video, I welcome you all. Well, generally relaxed mode में welcome karta, but I have to do a run of warm-up exercises, all charged up for the much-awaited trailer launch of the inspirational comedy Chalang, starring Rajkumar Rao and Nusrat Bharucha. Well, the film is all the little joys of childhood, and जो बचपन की हमारे यादें थे, खेलकूद की importance of sports, and it is all set to be showcased on Amazon Prime Video as a Diwali offering. Not only that, this wonderful films drops on the eve of Children's Day. अब इसे कहते हैं double dhamaka. Well, the film has been created by a team that is as powerful as the message that it aims to share, and we cannot wait for you to meet them today. And I'm sure आप सभी को बेसब्री से इंतजार है उन सभी से मिलने का, और मिलने के बाद जहन में काफी सारे सवाल भी होंगे मूवी के बारे में. तो मेरी एक दरख्वास्त है कि कोई भी अगर क्वेश्चंस हैं तो चैट बॉक्स का इस्तेमाल कीजिए. जूम विंडो पर आपको वहां पर नीचे चैट का ऑप्शन मिलता है, वहां आपके स्क्रीन पर आप वहां पर चैट कर सकते हैं. वहां पर एक फॉर्मेट के तरीके से अगर आपके सवाल भेजेंगे, it'll be very easy for us to communicate to the respective individual on this virtual space. I'll tell you the format. First, whom you want to address this question to. So, for example, anybody, say for Mr. A, and then your name, then the publication that you belong to, and then the question. It's that simple, and then I will easily वहां से यहाँ छलांग लेगा आपका सवाल, और आपके सवाल हम कास्टर क्रू से पूछेंगे. Before we move towards releasing the trailer, I would like for all of you to please extend a warm welcome to the film's visionary national award-winning director, Hansal Mehta.
Hi.
A sporty welcome, sir. And thank you so much for joining us and being with us here today. I must say that the concept of the film sounds super exciting, and we would like to hear more from you.
Yeah, I mean, Chalang is a very exciting part of my filmmaking journey. It so happens that this is the 20th year of my making films. And what better time than the 20th year of making films, and to make a film that at such a time is meant to entertain, to make people laugh. There could be no better time than this Diwali for us to bring a smile to people's faces. And it's a film that comes with a message without really thrusting it down your throat, through entertainment, through an absolutely delightful ensemble cast led by the beautiful Nusrat and my absolute muse Rajkumar Rao, and based on a script written by Love Ranjan. So which by itself is a very interesting marriage. Love's script, his sense of humor while writing, and my way of looking at the world in a real space. So it's a very exciting team that is getting together to create and bring this experience to the viewers. And I'm really excited. I mean, that we are coming on Amazon Prime, and we're getting to showcase this terrific story. And the film has a lot of kids, and it is for the entire family. It's also a lot of sports, and it's something that I'm happy to do, because sports is something that all of us absolutely love. So here's a wholesome entertainer. Here's a film where it's our sixth film, Rajkumar and my sixth film, and it's a film where Rajkumar doesn't die, where Rajkumar doesn't go to prison, and it's a film where you will be smiling at the end. You won't have you will have tears of joy, if at all you have any tears. So yes, it is extremely exciting, and thank you for having me here.
It's a pleasure indeed. And sir, would like to first of all congratulate you for completing 2 decades and thank you for your contribution to the Indian cinema and bringing us yet another wholesome entertainer. With that, आपने आपके ensemble cast के बारे में जो बात की है तो आप से दरख्वास्त करूंगा उन्हें इस मंच पर बुलाने के लिए.
Yes, I mean, what do I say about Rajkumar Rao that is not already known? I think he's perhaps the finest actor of his generation. And in my career, he has come as somebody who sort of provided oxygen and gave my career a new lease of life. So he is, I mean, the country's, perhaps the country's most special talent and actor today, and even more special to me as a human being, as a friend, as a brother, and of course, as a collaborator. So, this is a great sixth collaboration between us and something new, a new, step forward in our journey. And joining us on this journey is Nushrat Bharucha, who, is extremely talented and somebody who I think her talent, there's many facets to her talent as an actor that deserve to be explored. And I think we've explored little more of than what we have seen in the past in this film. People will see, I mean, of course, she is an absolutely stunning girl, but she's also a very, very talented actor. So, it is a pleasure to be directing. As a director, when you have good actors on screen, half your job is done. All you do is try to enhance, to explore further. And that's what Raj, Nushrat, then the other actors, Mohammad Zishan Ayub, Saurabh Shukla, Satish Kaushik, Ila Arun, Jatin Sarna, and all those kids, I mean, all of them have just allowed us to explore this story further and further, thanks to their absolutely brilliant talent. So yeah, welcome Nushrat and welcome Rajkumar.
Thank you so much, sir.
And Nushrat is on mute.
I'm here. Yeah. I'm here. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you, sir, for these kind words. And I love you.
Yes,
you are special to me.
I still love both of you. From forever.
Well, first let's start.
Yes.
First, let's start with Rajkumar. Rajkumar, you're the extended family member of Hansal sir. A few words from your side.
Not the extended family member. I'm the family member.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, it's always such a pleasure to work with him because the way he handles his actors is truly special, and also the kind of trust both of us have in each other as a director actor. It goes way beyond being a professional. I think it's something else. The first meeting that I still remember, the first meeting that we've had, and there was this instant connect that we felt, and since then I think it was 2011. I guess 11, right? Yeah. Since then we've been working together, and we will keep working together. I love him. I adore him, and he's, of course, we all know he's one of the finest talents that we have in this country.
Nushrat, what about you? How was your experience?
I have been a fan of Hansal sir forever, and I honestly thought that he would not cast me in a film of his because I kept thinking कि मैं उस level का performance कब करूँ where he'll notice my performance and say कि अब हम साथ काम करते हैं. So when Chhalang happened and Hansal sir said, "Yeah, I want to work with you and we should work together," I was on cloud 9. I felt so validated. I said, "I'm in a Hansal Mehta film and with Raj because I've worked with Raj years back and I've been wanting to work with him since then." And कभी वो paths cross ही नहीं हुए, पता नहीं कैसे. But I think this has been magical because it's my team where I feel like at home with family, with Love Sir, with Ankur, with Bhushan ji, and then there's Hansal Sir and Raj, and it just became like a dream come true for me. And I couldn't have asked for a better team at all. So thank you very much, everybody, for this experience. I genuinely am really happy and blessed to be part of this team.
मेरे पीटी सर मुझे याद आ गए, उनका नाम लेनी सर था। तो लेनी सर जो है, मतलब हमसे कोई भी खेल कूद नहीं करवाते थे। और पीटी, जिस दिन पीटी होता था हमें बड़ा मजा आता था कि पीटी है, आज 45 मिनट हमारे फ्री जाएंगे। तो मोंटू सर को देखकर ना मुझे शुरू में तो लेनी सर ही याद है। और लेनी सर जहाँ भी है, आई थिंक इज नो मोर। तो गॉड ब्लेस हिज सोल कि हमें इतना, मतलब वी हैड सच ग्रेट फन ड्यूरिंग दोज टाइम्स। बट लेटर ऑन जो मोंटू सर का जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, इट रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ माय कोचेस। जब मैं आई प्लेड टेबल टेनिस, आई रीच्ड अ सर्टेन लेवल while playing table tennis, also while playing cricket. कोचेस की याद दिलाया जिन्होंने इतना पुश किया था मुझे कि तुम you can do it, you can achieve the impossible. And I think that is what this film is about the transformation of the children के खेल कूद से, how they are transformed internally, and how Montu's transformation means the transformation of our education system in a way. So it inspired me and it made me feel कि शायद बचपन में थोड़ा खेल कूद लेता तो अभी इतनी एक्सरसाइज ना करनी पड़ती।
It is indeed the foundation. And deepest condolences to Lenny sir, and I'm sure he's taking a class there in heaven too. So thank you so much, sir. And coming to Rajkumar Rao, Rajkumar, aapki kaun si yadein? How did you relate to it?
Well, I was actually quite favorite to all my sports teacher, my PT teachers, because I was very active in sports. तो हमारे जैसे एक फिल्म क्योंकि हरियाणा में बेस है और मेरी भी स्कूलिंग जो है हरियाणा में हुई है, तो मैं बहुत रिलेट कर पाया मोंटू सर से, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसे पीटी टीचर्स देखे हैं जो इसी एक्सेंट में बात करते हैं, who are also like friends to their students, but students are also scared of them. तो एक पीटी टीचर का एक खौफ रहता है कि उनसे आप ज्यादा उनके साथ आपको ध्यान से रहना पड़ता है थोड़ा। तो मुझे भी बहुत सारी मेमोरीज थी जो बाहर आई, और इसलिए मजा आया क्योंकि एक कल्चर है। एक हमने आज तक की फिल्म आई थिंक पीटी टीचर पे एक रियल इंटरनल हार्टलैंड इंडिया की एक पीटी टीचर की स्टोरी देखी नहीं है आज तक इससे पहले। सो सॉरी, 1 सेकंड।
He is also agreeing to it.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah. तो इससे पहले हमने स्टोरी ऐसी देखी नहीं है। तो आई थिंक बहुत मजा आने वाला है कि एक नए वर्ल्ड को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं हम लोग, जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, स्कूल हैं, और हम सब स्कूल जा चुके हैं और हमें पता है कि क्या क्या होता है स्कूल में। तो वो एक नॉस्टैल्जिया है, नॉस्टैल्जिया के साथ साथ एक एस्पिरेशन है और फन है, लॉट ऑफ फन।
And I have to say, quite an obedient dog you have there. PT sir ने यहाँ पे भी बोल दिया चुप बैठ जाओ, तो चुप हो गया वो। Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajkumar. And Nusrat, what about you? Definitely a walk down the school memory lane.
Oh, completely. मतलब इस मैदान पे हमने इतने घंटे, इतने दिन बिताए हैं कि उतने तो मैंने खुद की लाइफ में रियल स्कूल के मैदान पे नहीं बिताए. I used to run away from sports when I was a child, and this film has taken me back on that and said, अब सारे sports देखो. I mean, see everything that we were doing, do it all here. It was a lot of fun, यार. जो actually मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा जो एक memory थी in this entire period was the kids that we were shooting with. वो सेम एनर्जी के साथ सब आते और वो सेम स्पोर्ट्स खेलते. इट एक्चुअली फेल्ट लाइक हम फिल्म नहीं शूट करे, हम एक स्पोर्ट्स के मैदान में बच्चों को खेलते हुए देख रहे हैं, 2 टीम्स को भिड़ते हुए देख रहे हैं, एंड वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था. Those kids were amazing, यार, and really amazing. I know there were some of them were actual players. I had to ask them. I said, "क्या आपने actual players लिए हैं क्या?" And they said, "नहीं, they're just normal kids who are having fun and playing." It was amazing. It was a great time.
Thank you, and thank you also for bringing alive the entire set on this virtual space. Thank you. Well, with that, we've all gotten lost into memories of our childhood. Let's bring together the powerhouse team behind Chhalang, and with immense pleasure, I would like to invite on this screen producers Ajay Devgan. Welcome, sir. Good to see you back.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi sir. How are you?
Guys, Love Ranjan from Love Films. Welcome.
Hi.
A rocking welcome to you. The film's presenter, Mr. Bhushan Kumar from T-Series.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Bhushan sir.
Hi, sir.
Welcome, sir. And last but not the least, Ankur Garg.
Hi. Hi, Ankur sir.
Hi.
Welcome to everyone. Welcome, Ankur sir. Welcome. जो मैंने अभी बात की, हंसल सर से, नुसरत जी से, राजकुमार जी से about their childhood memories, मैं आपसे भी पूछना चाहूंगा, starting with अजय सर. What is that one thing this movie reminds you about? आपके बचपन के कौन से वो स्कूल के दिन? What is that memory, special memory?
I don't know about special memory, but in school, obviously, जब हमारे टाइम पे स्कूल था तो ये सब गैजेट्स नहीं थे, तो हमारा जो एंटरटेनमेंट था that was all physical, which is what I miss with today's kids. मैं अपने बेटे के भी पीछे लगा रहता हूँ कि यार do outdoor sports, play outside, don't be on your PSs and all those gadgets. It is very important. और उस वक्त it was something we really enjoyed because that was the only recreation we had. आज बच्चों के पास options है, so they do a lot of things. But when you have that was your recreation. You used to play games. I mean, it could be any kind of physical sport, not just cricket or football. मतलब कि हमारे ज़माने में तो ऐसे sports हुआ करते थे कि like kitty and there were a lot of physical things. So we really used to enjoy. Or we were brats in school. तो पीटी टीचर से डांट तो बहुत पड़ती थी, लेकिन हम अपनी मस्ती में लगे रहते थे और डांट भी खाते थे और जो हमको करना वो भी करते रहते थे.
उसी में तो मजा है, वो डांट खा के फिर भी मस्ती करना. थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू. लव सर, आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे.
हाँ जी. फ्लैशबैक में सबसे बड़ा फ्लैशबैक यार इसमें ये है कि मैं ना एक ही स्कूल में पढ़ा हूँ, गाजियाबाद सेंट पॉल्स करके स्कूल था, और 15 साल
हम लोग थोड़ी 10 स्कूलों में जा रहे थे.
नहीं, जैसे कई लोग होते हैं ना जो 10th के बाद चेंज कर लेते हैं, इंटर कहीं और से करते हैं या 2-3 स्कूल शिफ्ट करते हैं. और 15 साल मेरे पीटी टीचर का नाम था राजकुमार शर्मा.
अरे
मतलब इतनी चांस की बात है कि वो राजकुमार सर जो थे ना, वो थ्रू आउट मेरे लिए पीटी टीचर वही थे. ठीक है. और उनकी बहुत सारी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स भी हैं जो मैंने कोशिश की है कि इसमें मैं डाल. वो जिस तरह इंग्लिश बोलते थे, हमारा थर्सडे को क्या होता था, थर्सडे को 7th पीरियड होता था पीटी का और 8th होता था लाइब्रेरी का. और हम लोग कोशिश करते थे कि किसी तरह लाइब्रेरी पीरियड को भी ना पीटी क्लास में ही मिला लें, जिससे हमें वो 1.5 घंटा इकट्ठा खेलने को मिल जाए. हमने जितनी डांट राजकुमार सर से खाई है उतनी किसी से नहीं खाई. हमने मुर्गा भी उन्होंने ही बनाया है. एट द सेम टाइम फ्री पीरियड में जा जाके हमने जितनी रिक्वेस्ट उनसे की है कि हमें पीटी क्लास लेने दो, फ्री पीरियड है, टीचर नहीं आई हैं. और बहुत मेमोरीज हैं यार. मतलब हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते थे, तो क्रिकेट की जब प्रैक्टिस होती थी तो आई रिमेम्बर उस टाइम पे ऐसा होता था कि सुबह 3 घंटे घिसने के बाद हमें क्या मिलता था, 2 स्लाइसेस ब्रेड के, उसके बीच में समोसा दबाया हुआ और पर पर्सन 2 केले, ठीक है, और एक उसके अलावा पानी. लेकिन उस टाइम पे वो भी ऐसा लगता था ना कि मतलब मजेदार, कि वो पार्टी थी हमारे लिए. तो बहुत है यार मेमोरीज. वो मेरठ गए, कभी टूर्नामेंट खेलने जा रहे हैं. बट द होल आइडिया वाज कि जिस तरह से उनका एक रुतबा था ना स्कूल में, किसी भी उम्र के बच्चे उनके साथ जैसे इंटरेक्ट करते थे वो बहुत मजेदार था. उनसे डरते भी थे, लेकिन पीरियड भी सबसे अच्छा उन्हीं का लगता था. वो सुबह पीटी भी कराते थे, वो पूरा बैंड बजता था. लॉट्स ऑफ मेमोरीज, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ मेमोरीज.
आपने तो पूरा कैंटीन का 7 कोर्स मील यहाँ पे पेश कर दिया. थैंक यू फॉर दैट.